ITWeb is a proud sponsor of this year's ITWeb Security Summit in Johannesburg. AI is good for both sides, right? It's good for the good guys, it's good for the bad guys. So we need to become a lot more efficient in how we look at cybersecurity. Gone are the days where we can just put tools in place and hope that it protects us. We need somebody to constantly help us. So I always say we've got to look at fighting AI with AI, right? So artificial intelligence with artificial intelligence, but it's not just around artificial intelligence. We need to make sure that we're wrapping the human element around this that helps us build business context around cybersecurity. Because if you look at it from the bare bones, artificial intelligence is around making humans more efficient. So in order to do this, we have the human element that helps us bring business context into the risk and the risk profile for the business. A lot of the time, we get very focused in what we do, be it as IT vendors or security vendors, be it a customer or partners, and making sure we just network to understand the different challenges and successes that each of us are seeing in the market is really, really important. Focusing in on how do we become more efficient, but how do we make sure that we've got somebody helping us? For a lot of organizations, they don't focus on security. And especially in that mid-market, medium enterprise space, it's not a focus area. So having a security vendor or partner that is working very closely with them to help continuously improve their security posture is really, really key. Making sure that we inject vital security skills into that organization is also really important, because that is some of the fundamental challenges that a lot of these organizations run into. It's just not having the right skills to look at the right things. And this is typically where a lot of attacks start occurring. So these are some of the things that we're going to be talking around at the event, but we're also going to talk around what we've seen as some of the biggest attacks from last year. And we're going to start looking at our threat report and what we see as some of the biggest challenges coming in the cybersecurity space for 2024. So ITWeb Security Summit Johannesburg happening on the 4th and 5th of June at the Sandton Convention Center with workshops the next day. We really look forward to welcoming you there and spend some time and see if there's potential ways that we can maybe help you out. Please go and register if you'd like to secure a seat at www.itweb.co.za.